Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Tiered Pricing Table for WooCommerce, customizing the tiered pricing table design. In this video, we will learn how to customize the design of the tiered pricing table and align it with your website's theme. Let's get started. In your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Tiered Pricing tab. This is where you can control the appearance of your pricing table. First, choose the layout style for your pricing table. Under Default Layout, you will see options like Table, Blocks, and Tooltips. For example, I will select the Table option. This creates a clean and organized design that works with most stores. Feel free to test different layouts to see which fits your site best. Next, let's customize the colors. Scroll down to the Active Tier Pricing color. Click on the color picker and select a color that matches your website's theme. You can also set column titles under column titles. For example, label them as quantity, discount, and price. This ensures your table is easy to read. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now let's preview a product to see our changes. Your pricing table is now fully customized and matches your website's design. That's how you can customize the tiered pricing table design. It's quick and easy to align the table with your store's theme and ensure it looks professional. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.